Heidi ho, folks. This is Roy coming at you Christmas Day, December 25th, 2020. I just want to show you one of my projects I just made for my daughter, a Shure 55S microphone on a stand lamp. And I'm going to upload another video on all the details on how I made it on a separate video. But for right now, I'll just show you the end results. Here's my patio, and this is the microphone itself and the stand, all brand new. I'm going to show you in a second what this is all about. But I've been a Shure vintage microphone fan for a long time. I own a couple of them. Here's just a few. This happens to be a bona fide Shure 55S that does function. It's been repaired. It's got yellow foam inside. Here's what they call a 55 Fat Boy. This was the original microphone. This was, I think, started in the 30s and the 40s, and then it's a monster. It's heavy. Much larger than the 55S, which is the Elvis mic, which came out in, I think, early 50s as well, also by Shure. And here you see some 3D printed 55S's. I haven't finished them yet. I'm still playing around with some ideas with those. Here's my 3D printer. It's Ender Pro. And I use the Cura slicer. Here's a test print which fell apart because I didn't have the right support structure. I guess this part took 13 hours to 3D print. Support structure. My friend Dean made the 3D model of that. But another interesting thing I discovered was something called Lithophanes, where you take a JPEG image into Cura, and this one I printed on Edge. I got a tip from a YouTube guy, said this worked better. And I'll show you what happens to this when you hold it up to the light. Prepared to show you that here now. Let's see. And there you go. It becomes pretty cool, actually. And now we'll get to what I'm going to do with the microphone. You'll see in a second. I 3D printed this guy on Edge. This was my first attempt. And I'll show you what he looks like now in the light. And there you have him. I think it's pretty awesome. So what I did was I scaled and reprinted a 3D image of Elvis. And I put it inside the mic. And you may not be able to see it in there, but there you get a glimpse of him inside. You can really see it with the human eye. The video's not coming out so well, but trust me, he's in there. Maybe you can see 3D printed inside there. Yeah, there you go. There's Elvis inside, and then of course when I light him up, you get to see a little bit better. So anyway, that's my Shure 55S Elvis microphone lamp. And like I said, it's going to take me a lot of time to put together the video of how I actually made that thing. And it's quite involved, I gotta say. Okay, stay tuned for that. Thanks, folks. Bye.